Hello everyone, my name is Margaret. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So the only makeup I have on right now is the eyeliner, eyeshadow, and also the lipstick. I don't really have anything on my face right now. This is to prove that the glass skin set from LUCIENT Aya Skin Shop is actually effective, right? So I have tried this more than 2 weeks. I did notice a few bumps on my face after the second or third day, but it was already gone around the 4th, 5th day. So you don't need to worry about any bumps if you apply this set. It can actually improve the radiance of your face. So what's in a glass skin set from LUCIENT Aya? You will receive a glass skin soap, a glass skin toner, a glass skin serum, and also the sunscreen gel cream. What I love about this is that the serum dries well and dries quick. And this sunscreen gel cream, although when you apply it, it seems to be whitish in color, but later on when the skin fully absorbs this product, it will become shiny. And the glass skin toner, I love it because it has rose water and it has a lot of benefits for your face. So the other set that they gave me is the underarm toner and the underarm cream. It comes along with glutathione soap. I'll just insert the video here of the glutathione soap because I already have it in the comfort room, of course. The glass skin soap is already another batch. So thank you so much, LUCIENT Aya. I love this underarm toner and underarm cream because I also used this for more than 2 weeks. I will show you my underarm right now. It's actually very dark before, and I also had my underarm laser, so you might see a few strands of hair. I still have my schedule tomorrow at Skin 911, but if you can see, mauna ni siya guys, no filter. It may still have a few dark spots because before, of course, I already have 2 sons, and if you have kids, there will be a time where your underarms and other parts of the body will darken. So one of the affected areas is my underarm, but if you can see, this is my bare underarms, no filter. There are still dark spots, but the skin really improved. I can really see the progress and it really whitened. But of course, 2 weeks pa to siya. I still have a lot of time to help my underarm improve as well as my face. I will be continuing my usage of this glass skin set and also the underarm set. If you want to know the prices of these products, you can check their Facebook page. I will put the link to their page in the description box, alright? So thank you so much once again, LUCIENT Aya Skin Shop, for sending us these products. And I'm really happy about the progress of my skin. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like. If you have any questions about the product that I'm vlogging right now or about my vlogs, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, tap on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for your support, lovies. Bye! Take care!
1, 2, 3.
Funky. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.